初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need to start working out.
I need to start working out.
我需要开始锻炼了。
I need to start working out.
I need to start working out.
Let's warm up a little first.
Let's warm up a little first.
我们先稍微热身一下吧。
Let's warm up a little first.
Let's warm up a little first.
The gym is crowded today.
The gym is crowded today.
今天健身房很拥挤。
The gym is crowded today.
The gym is crowded today.
Where can I put my bag?
Where can I put my bag?
我的包可以放在哪里？
Where can I put my bag?
Where can I put my bag?
I need a locker key.
I need a locker key.
我需要一个储物柜钥匙。
I need a locker key.
I need a locker key.
Do you have a towel?
Do you have a towel?
你有毛巾吗？
Do you have a towel?
Do you have a towel?
I forgot my water bottle.
I forgot my water bottle.
我忘记带水壶了。
I forgot my water bottle.
I forgot my water bottle.
Time to stretch my legs.
Time to stretch my legs.
该拉伸我的腿了。
Time to stretch my legs.
Time to stretch my legs.
Let's do some light jogging.
Let's do some light jogging.
我们来做些轻松的慢跑吧。
Let's do some light jogging.
Let's do some light jogging.
I'll start with the treadmill.
I'll start with the treadmill.
我会从跑步机开始。
I'll start with the treadmill.
I'll start with the treadmill.
I like running to music.
I like running to music.
我喜欢听着音乐跑步。
I like running to music.
I like running to music.
My headphones are not working.
My headphones are not working.
我的耳机坏了。
My headphones are not working.
My headphones are not working.
I'm already sweating a lot.
I'm already sweating a lot.
我已经流了很多汗。
I'm already sweating a lot.
I'm already sweating a lot.
Let's try the exercise bike.
Let's try the exercise bike.
我们来试试健身单车吧。
Let's try the exercise bike.
Let's try the exercise bike.
How does this machine work?
How does this machine work?
这个机器怎么用？
How does this machine work?
How does this machine work?
Can you show me the settings?
Can you show me the settings?
你能给我看看设置吗？
Can you show me the settings?
Can you show me the settings?
I want to work on my abs.
I want to work on my abs.
我想锻炼我的腹肌。
I want to work on my abs.
I want to work on my abs.
Let's do 10 more sit-ups.
Let's do 10 more sit-ups.
我们再做10个仰卧起坐吧。
Let's do 10 more sit-ups.
Let's do 10 more sit-ups.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
我需要短暂休息一下。
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
My arms feel really sore.
My arms feel really sore.
我的手臂感觉很酸痛。
My arms feel really sore.
My arms feel really sore.
I should drink some water.
I should drink some water.
我应该喝点水。
I should drink some water.
I should drink some water.
Don't forget to breathe deeply.
Don't forget to breathe deeply.
别忘了深呼吸。
Don't forget to breathe deeply.
Don't forget to breathe deeply.
Keep your back straight.
Keep your back straight.
保持背部挺直。
Keep your back straight.
Keep your back straight.
That's enough weights for today.
That's enough weights for today.
今天的重量训练足够了。
That's enough weights for today.
That's enough weights for today.
Let's move to the yoga area.
Let's move to the yoga area.
我们转到瑜伽区吧。
Let's move to the yoga area.
Let's move to the yoga area.
This mat feels comfortable.
This mat feels comfortable.
这个垫子感觉很舒服。
This mat feels comfortable.
This mat feels comfortable.
I'll try some stretching poses.
I'll try some stretching poses.
我会尝试一些拉伸姿势。
I'll try some stretching poses.
I'll try some stretching poses.
My balance is not great.
My balance is not great.
我的平衡感不太好。
My balance is not great.
My balance is not great.
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
我需要多练习。
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
Let's do some cool down.
Let's do some cool down.
我们来做些放松运动吧。
Let's do some cool down.
Let's do some cool down.
I feel so refreshed now.
I feel so refreshed now.
我现在感觉神清气爽。
I feel so refreshed now.
I feel so refreshed now.
My body feels lighter already.
My body feels lighter already.
我的身体已经感觉更轻盈了。
My body feels lighter already.
My body feels lighter already.
Exercise really clears my mind.
Exercise really clears my mind.
锻炼真的让我的头脑清醒。
Exercise really clears my mind.
Exercise really clears my mind.
I should come more often.
I should come more often.
我应该更经常来。
I should come more often.
I should come more often.
How many calories did I burn?
How many calories did I burn?
我燃烧了多少卡路里？
How many calories did I burn?
How many calories did I burn?
I'll check on the machine.
I'll check on the machine.
我会在机器上查看。
I'll check on the machine.
I'll check on the machine.
Time to take a quick shower.
Time to take a quick shower.
该快速冲个澡了。
Time to take a quick shower.
Time to take a quick shower.
My muscles are shaking a bit.
My muscles are shaking a bit.
我的肌肉有点发抖。
My muscles are shaking a bit.
My muscles are shaking a bit.
I did a good job today.
I did a good job today.
我今天做得很好。
I did a good job today.
I did a good job today.
See you tomorrow, gym life.
See you tomorrow, gym life.
明天见，健身房生活。
See you tomorrow, gym life.
See you tomorrow, gym life.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。